Hey everyone, I am so excited to share with you that I've completed finally the Immortal King set. Some of these pieces are level 60. Not gonna be proud of that, but you know I've got them. They're reasonable. They're not like they enable this fourth passive, and I am so excited to introduce you to my boy band, Territory, and the Barbie dolls. They're awesome. Dude, don't be shy. Anyway, I'm really excited. I'm very lucky. Had a great weekend. Found some sets and completed another set on the Crusader for the Invoker set. It's not exactly tier 6 level, but it's still a lot of fun. I'll show that a little bit later. For right now, I'm just going to show off that I completed the IK set. I'm using the Aughild set and the Blacksworn set. These are just things that I had lying in my stash. And the pattern for this I don't think is very hard to find. A lot of my friends found it very quickly as soon as I hit 70. And the black thorns can be gambled. It wasn't that hard to find. And then I'm using the Sky Splitter because of that 20% smite. Hits really hard, really like it. And this that makes my electric barb really sing because it does electric damage. It's great. I like it. And so I'm just gonna do some gameplay. Gonna play some music. Hope I personally
The Boost
think
Challenge at your local Ford dealer and get ready to get floored.
that commercials are good. Okay, just gonna let it go. Hope you guys don't mind Metallica. I think Metallica and Diablo go pretty well hand in hand. Let's do it.
Need more time.
So yeah, that was tier 6. That's pretty much how it's just goes. Just gonna kill the music real quick and just show you my Crusader now. Thanks for watching this portion, and I hope you watch the next half coming up right about Faye.
Ghost.
So the Invoker set is pretty cool, and I'm really lucky to have found it, but I don't really feel like it's The best thing for tier 6, I really don't for that level difficulty. I'm on Torment 4 right now. It's a lot of fun, but I just don't have the survivability on this class, on this character. I have a lot more fun on my barb. But this is what it does. It's really cool. Just make sure Thorn's AoE. I don't think it procs reflective skin though. Yeah, that's the only unfortunate thing, and that was what I was really counting on for it to do. But it's cool. It adds a lot more damage, and with charge up provoke, it adds a lot more damage with charge up provoke, and you can see that. I mean, there's a lot of enemies hitting you. But the fact that it doesn't proc with reflective skin, oops, you can't see me. Like I just procced reflective skin. You couldn't. It doesn't reflect the millions of damage from reflective skin to other creatures, which is a real big bummer. Which is thorn damage. Whatever. But it's fun. It adds more damage to your character. But I wouldn't really focus on anything around this build for higher difficulties. Because there's just better things for the Crusader to do, like Post Shield or the Concept or something, or whatever it's called. But anyway, thanks for watching my video, guys. Have a good night.
Remain
or day,
steadfast.
or morning, or